In this video, I'll guide you through how to add a site title in Squarespace. Whether you're just starting with a new website or looking to refine an existing one, adding a site title is a crucial step in defining your brand and ensuring your visitors know exactly where they are. Let's dive in and make this process as smooth and straightforward as possible. First, you'll want to start by opening the Pages panel. This is your central hub for managing all the pages on your Squarespace site. Think of it as the control room where you can access and organize your website's layout and content. Once you're in the Pages panel, you'll notice a preview of your page on the right side. At the top left corner of this preview, there's an edit button. Click on it to enter edit mode. This is where most of the magic happens, allowing you to make real-time changes to your site and see how they'll look to your audience. Now, hover over the top of the page until you see the Edit Site Header button appear. This might take a second to show up, so don't worry if it's not immediate. Once it pops up, go ahead and click it. The site header is an integral part of your website as it often contains your site title, logo, and navigation menu, all the elements that help visitors identify and move around your site easily. Inside the header editor, you'll find the option titled Site Title and Logo. Click on this to access the settings specifically related to your site's identification. This area is designed to help you manage the visual aspects of your brand's presence on your site. Now, you should see a text field labeled Site Title. This is where you'll type in the name you've chosen for your site. Make sure it clearly reflects your brand or the purpose of your website. A good site title is concise, memorable, and gives a hint of what your visitors can expect. Once you've entered your desired site title, it's important to save your changes. Look for the Save button, which is typically located in the top right corner of the page. Clicking this ensures that everything you've done is locked in and will appear on your live site. Saving is a crucial step. Without it, any changes you make won't be visible to your visitors. And that's it. You've successfully added a site title to your Squarespace website. This simple addition can make a big difference in how professional and cohesive your site looks to new visitors. Remember, you can always return to the header editor if you need to tweak your site title or make other adjustments as your brand evolves. Thanks for following along and happy designing on Squarespace.